This is Gateway Classic Cars, where I have the 1972 Mustang consigned. And in a second you'll see my '09 GT CS. There's the interior of the showroom, and it's really massive. A lot of cars. So I'm going to take you on a little tour. I'm not going to point out all these cars. I'll just let you look at them and enjoy them. At the end of this, this is actually in two segments. At the end of this first segment, you're going to see my 72 sitting among all the others. This is just outside of Orlando in Lake Mary. And the address is, I have it right here, 635 Century Point, Suite 101, Lake Mary, 32746. The phone number is 407-771-2000. And their website is gatewayclassiccars.com. So anyhow, cars there. See, they have lots of nice cars there. Just about every make available. Most of them, I'd say 60s and 70s. Of course, there you see a General Lee. AMXs and Camaros and Mustangs. And I'm going to put a link to the video they did on my car, which there's a European British car. Anyhow, I'm going to put a link to the video they did on my 72. There's a link on my channel, but I'll put one here at the end of this video, the description. There's a bunch of Mustangs, Chevelles, Corvettes, Porsches, Firebird, Nova. I really couldn't describe what a good job they did on that video. It's excellent. Not only is it pictures, but it's also a video, and actually sees the car driving up and down. You hear the engine. It's really complete. You know, an older Ford. There's a 54 DeSoto. Don't see those every day. Two-door coupe. Always like these DeSotos. Of course, they had the Fire Dome V8. You still get a 6 in them too, but most, I think, opted for the Fire Dome. And there's a Mustang, and pretty soon you're going to see my car. And right there it is. There's the 72. And take a little bit of a more detailed look at it. It's looking good. They have good lighting in this place too, although again you can't see the interior very well. You have to get kind of into the car to see the interior, but that's the 72 that's for sale. It's my 72. As I said, it's a little dark, but again, the video that they did is very good, so you see everything in that video. All right, I'm going to end this first segment with my car, and then we have a second segment I'll put up next.